Hi, I'm Darryl Quast with Genesis out of our Morristown location, and I'd like to talk today a little bit about Ascend. It is a growth promotant for corn and also soybeans, and we also are doing some with alfalfa this year. What we're trying to do is develop more root system, which in turn will bring more nutrients, more water to the corn and soybeans and alfalfa. We have used Ascend for probably the last 4 or 5 years in corn production, and we've seen yield bumps, we've seen a healthier plant, and we've seen bigger yields, because the more root mass you have, the more ways to get nutrients into this plant. We've seen great things happen on a dry year and also on a wet year. I've had some guys that's come back and said that they've seen anywhere from 4 to 6 bushel yield bumps where they've used Ascend on corn. We've seen guys that have sprayed Ascend with their first pass of glyphosate on their soybeans. And I've had a gentleman that last year sprayed it on his soybeans, and he claims he's seen a 5 bushel yield bump. His plants looked healthier, put more nodes on. We did a trial about 3 years ago with alfalfa, and within 2.5 to 3 weeks we seen a 4-inch growth difference from Ascend applied to alfalfa versus not applied. So all of a sudden, if we can get more height out of alfalfa, we get a better tonnage and a healthier plant, more leaves, which in turn comes back to more yield. We're looking at rates on corn of 4 to 4.5 ounces per acre, put in ideally with liquid fertilizer. When we're spraying it on soybeans, we're still looking at the 4.5 ounce rate, and alfalfa the same at the 4.5 ounce rate.